Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing another DIY. I'm going to be doing a facial DIY. I've been breaking out for the past few days and I don't know why, and I'm just trying to see how I can get rid of all this acne that is just coming off of my face like wildfire. So usually I do steam my face. I recently got a face steamer and I've been using that at least once or twice a week, and I've noticed more breakout than usual. So I'm going to be trying this out, and I'm going to be using the apple cider vinegar. I did a video on apple cider vinegar to help me lose some weight a few years back, and I do sometimes drink this. I mix just a little bit with my water and drink it. Because of the smell, I tend not to do it that often as what I used when I was losing my weight, because the smell of this is like, whew, I can't stand it. So I'm going to be using this on my face, but I'm going to be diluting it with some water, and let's get right into it, and let's hope this can help me get rid of all this breakout that I'm currently just experiencing. So let's get into it. I have a bottle. I purchased this bottle from Dollarama. You can get, I think it was $1.25. So I got this from Dollarama. So this is just an empty bottle. There's nothing in here. I think I have about I have 3 of this bottle. One is here, one, and there's one somewhere else in the house. So I'm going to be mixing the apple cider vinegar with the water and applying that on my face, and see if that will help me get rid of my acne and also even out my skin tone. I usually do the turmeric mask for even skin tone, to even out my skin tone, but because of this, like all these pimples that is just coming out from nowhere, I want to get rid of them first before I can do that mask. If you're interested in that video, I have them on my channel. I'm going to be leaving a link somewhere so that you can click on it, just if you're interested. So I'm going to pour just a little. Do you know what, I think I should shake it up first because I have all the stuff underneath. So I'm just going to shake it up first. Yeah, now that it's all mixed up properly, I'm going to take my bottle and I'm going to pour that in here. I think this should be enough. So I want to pour that in here, and let me go ahead and close the other one up because I don't want it to spill. And I'm going to mix this up with water because I don't want to put all that pure apple cider vinegar on my face. And so I'm going to close it up. I'm going to shake it just to make sure to mix it together, and I'm going to open it. You can like use this to spray it on a cotton ball or on a tissue paper, like a hand tissue paper or something like that. I'm going to just use this to wipe my face, and I'm going to do this for 7 days, and I would let you guys know the final result of this DIY. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and get a cotton ball, and I'm going to apply that on my face. Just give me a second. So here's my cotton balls, my cotton pads. The pad is the cotton pad. I'm going to just open it a little bit and let that soak in a little bit, and I'm going to just use that. Oh goodness, the smell is not that strong as if it was like concentrated, like pure without the water, but it still smells, but not as bad. So I'm just going to use this to wipe my face. as you can see. Okay, I'm going to reduce the lighting of this so that you guys can see the cotton balls, how it looks right now. You can see some dirt in it. Whew, and my eyes are burning. So guys, as you can see, you see all the dirt on this pad, like face pad, and it's really gross. So let's put it as usual. So as you can see, there was some dirt and the cotton balls, like probably dead skin or something. You know, I don't wear as much makeup as I do when I go to work. Now that I'm home, most times I barely wear makeup, except I'm recording a video and I want to show you guys how it looks and everything. So I'm just rubbing down also down my neck. I'm taking another one. So guys, this is 7 days. I'm posting this video 7 days after I did this DIY, and I will have to say my pimples are all dried up, all my acne are almost gone, my face is back to normal. This actually works for me really well. I've been using it like every day just to wipe my face before I go to bed and moisturize my face with my cream, and it really works really well for me. Guys, I would say if you're breaking out and you need something that is going to help you clean up your acne fast, this is amazing DIY that you can try out and use. It's natural, there's nothing going to happen. Just make sure that you mix it with water. You don't want to use a concentrated apple cider vinegar. So I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize my face with my body cream. I use this for my body, but today I'm going to use it for my face. I usually don't use this for my face because it's very oily for intense dryness, so I use this for my body, but today I'm going to be using it for my face. So you want to moisturize your face after all that, and yeah, you're good to go. So I'm going to brush in my eyebrow with this brush that I got from Coils. So you can purchase this from Coils. So I'm going to go ahead and just brush in my tiny eyebrow, and yeah, voila, this is the final look. Like, this is the final DIY. I hope this is going to clear all my acne. I'll be back for you guys to let you guys know the final update if the apple cider vinegar was able to clear out all my acne and all that. So, upload a video. Please leave a comment down below. Have you used this DIY before to clear out your acne, to brighten out your face? Please, if you have tried this DIY before, let me know, did it work for you? And I'm going to let you guys go, and I'll see you guys home. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you have watched this far, please push the subscribe button down below, and also push the bell button down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let me let you guys go, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye.